Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how to add emojis in your Word documents. So this is going to happen in Word. If you want to add maybe an emoji after a sentence or a certain paragraph, you can do this so easily. So first we're going to have some commands. So it's going to be Windows, and then at the same time you're going to be pressing the semicolon button on your keyboard. So you press Windows and semicolon. The pop-up for emojis has to show up, so you have to press this at the same time, not simultaneously but at the same time. So as you can see, after pressing, this is the emoji panel. So you can choose any emojis you want, or you can search them by just typing on your keyboard what you want, whether you want sports, whether you want plants. So I just typed in plants, and I'm going to choose this earth emoji, and you can choose any that you want. You can also scroll through these down ones to guide you which emojis you want. So there are faces, there are plants, there are sports, hearts, many emojis you can find. You can also find another set of emojis that are in characters that you can choose from. So those are some that I have seen people using, but you can also choose if you have ones that you want to use. Also, you can have symbols. So if you can't find them on your keyboard, you can search these symbols and then use as much as you want. So I'm going to remove this. So we're going to see how to change the size. So all you have to do is just highlight it, just pressing on your mouse, and then you highlight it, and then it will change the size. So I'm going to highlight this last emoji of mine, and then I'm going to go and increase the size. So as you can see, it has been enlarged, or you can reduce it, you can change positions, you can literally edit it like a word or any letter. So this is how you can have emojis in your Word document, or any essay letter that you want to write to someone, and you can easily add emojis. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.